This is the introductory video of MS Excel. In this video, I am going to make one table and show you basic formulas like sum, average. So for that, first of all, we have to create one table. So in this cell, I am writing the name of the students. Now in second cell, let us take one subject, physics, then maths, chemistry. Now suppose the name of the student Aditya, first student is Aditya, second student Divya, third student Bhavesh, fourth student Raj. Now the marks Aditya have got, suppose, is 85 in physics, 74 in maths. Put any number of your choice to create a table. I am putting the random numbers. After that, I will show you some operations. So kindly look at the process that I am following now. So suppose this is the table that I have created. The first column, it is the name of the students. The marks is scored by them in physics, maths and chemistry. So in this column, I want to find the total of the subjects. So I am going to use formula. So for starting any formula or function, we have to start with equal to sign. So first let us add the marks scored by Aditya. So in physics he has got 85, so I have to click on the cell. Okay, then it will put the cell address plus marks scored by him in maths. Click on the cell plus marks scored by him in chemistry. Click on the cell. Now as you click on enter, it will show the total. Okay, now you need to find the total of the remaining students. So for that, just go to the total of Aditya. You can see at the bottom, a small black dot is there. Go to black dot. You can see the plus symbol will changes to black. Just hold your left mouse button and drag it down. As you leave the mouse, you can see automatically it will show the total of all the students. After that, we need to find out average. So average marks scored by the students. So how we will find the average marks scored by Aditya? So again we have to start with equal to. Now click on the total cell, divided by, this is the division symbol, and divided by total number of subjects. So here there are 3 subjects, so divided by 3. So as you will hit enter, it will show you the average. Again, to find the average of remaining students, you have to click on the average of Aditya, drag your mouse to that black dot. Okay, the plus symbol will change. Hold the left mouse button and drag it down. As you will drag it down, the average of all the students will appear in front of you. Now next step, if you want to put colors, in background as well as in text. So if you want to put a same color to all the fields, then you have to click either on the row or in the column. Okay, so I am putting different colors for the different subjects. Suppose for physics I want to keep red. So you can see here, if you want to put, suppose take any color red for physics, you will see automatically the color of physics will change to red. Now for mathematics, suppose I will put green color. For chemistry I want to put purple. Any color you wish you can put here. Now I want to put background color to this headings. So select the cell whose background color you want to change, and you can see a bucket structure is there. So click on the bucket structure. I want to fill this yellow as a background. So click on this color, the background will get changed. Again, suppose for name, all the names I want to put the different background color. So select all the columns, all the names, and choose any color of your choice. Same way for the data, for the marks I want to choose different color. So for that you have to click on any of the color of your choice. Now this is the basic idea or introductory video of MS Excel. Same way, many options are given which you can use to create your table. In the next video I will show you how to create chart. Thank you.